How to add WhatsApp link in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So what you will have to do is first open WhatsApp and log into your account. After that, in your profile section, you will find your WhatsApp link and WhatsApp QR code. Simply copy the WhatsApp link, and then after you have copied the WhatsApp link in your clipboard, go to Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. And in this link section, you just have to enter that link and title it as WhatsApp, and done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.